Halo, 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 halo. Gue streaming lagi, main Digimon lagi, guys. Ntar minum dulu. Oke, kali ini ya streaming yang ini mah nyantai aja ya. Karena gue baru main juga, belum pernah ini main game ini. Kita main lagi Digimon. Sembari mengantukkan diri lah ya. Ini game. Oke, dulu B ya ini ya. Boy. Seperti biasa kita kasih nama gue aja. Pengen gue terus Jun ganteng padahal. Kembang api ya. Iya. Grafik NDS lagi nih boy. Kok ada yang jatuh tuh guys. Ini kayak gue balik ya deh guys. Gini aja lah ya. Rada kepotong gitu kayaknya. Oh iya rada kepotong guys kalau di kanan. Big bro, where are you going? You just stay here with Asuka. I don't want you to get lost. Hey now, aren't you the one that's always getting lost? It honestly feel sorry for Yui having such a dumb brother. Big bro, you shouldn't go by yourself. Where Hiroyuki go? He went off somewhere. What's he so worked up about anyway? Apparently, something fell just beyond that hill, according to him. Something fell? I do remember him typing and falling at that hill before, but that always happened to my big brothers when he get excited. Falling off a cliff, getting stuck in a ditch, knocking over Jesus statues, getting stuck in trees. Something bad really going to happen to him one day. Itu kencengan guys, kecilin dulu ya. He really has been nothing but trouble, hasn't he? Okay, fine. There are a million things I'd rather do right now. I guess we should check on him. Yay! Hiroyuki! Big bro, where are you? Doesn't look like Hiroyuki around here, doesn't it? I guess he really did go over to that hill. Hey Yui, wait for me! Wow, it's pitch black out there. That Hiroyuki really is just a troublemaker. Apa tuh di semak? Wah dia. Oh gue kira dia lagi enak-enak. Apa tuh guys? Kebakaran itu ya? Wah. Anjing. UFO guys, UFO. Big bro, be careful. It could be dangerous. Hey Hiroyuki, what on earth is that? Hehe. What do you mean? It's clearly a fallen star. Isn't that right, John? No way, I'm pretty certain it's anything but that. How can you be so excited in a situation like this anyway? Tuh ya, kenapa gue bingung deh. Percakapan di game Digimon tuh kayaknya lebih mudah dibaca daripada di Pokemon menurut gue ya. Bukan antara suka nggak suka, nggak tahu ya, tipe aksen atau mungkin tipe bicaranya, nggak tahu lah gue. Kayaknya kalau di game Digimon gue lebih gampang gitu loh guys. Kalau dibaca, what do you mean? Relax, Sasuke, just think of possibilities. You're the last person I want to hear that from. Dinosaurus gitu ya. What are you going on about? Have you finally lost your mind? No, I think he's making a wish right now. My brother been completely obsessed with dinosaur recently. I see, so that's why he was so excited about this whole thing. Falling into bus and this, now he's falling for the dinosaur. Well, I guess we could probably find a fossil or two around here, but a real life living, breeding dinosaur would be amazing. T-Rex, Allosaurus. Hey, if your wish really does come true, wouldn't you just end up becoming a snack for those dinosaur? Hah, ya bener juga ya, kalau dia ini si siapa namanya nih, Hiroyuki tuh ini ya punya keinginan ini ya, pengen lihat dinosaurus, tapi kalau ada dinosaurus dia bakal jadi snack buat dinosaurus itu gitu loh. Plus, doesn't this look more like a spaceship than a star? Benar, itu spaceship gila. Oh, that's be amazing too. Awesome aliens. Wah, dia kayak Tom Dilong juga. Dom Tilong anjir namanya, bukan Tom Dilong, Dom Tilong. Come on out aliens. Wah, orang enak-enak tuh. Hold on, what was that? I'm pretty sure I heard a noise from those birds over there. Agumon coy. Wih, dinosaurus bener-bener ya? It's a dinosaur? You're kidding me? Look, it's got fangs and claws. That means it must be a carnivore. Wow, this is incredible. Wishing on a star really does work. The only thing that is incredible is how stupid you are. Why did you even wish for something like this? It's gonna eat us for sure if we go near it. But wait a minute, doesn't it look a bit squishy for a dinosaur? It's kinda cute. Wait, you be careful, it might bite. Nice to meet you, my name is Agumon. It's tall? Have you seen a tamer anywhere around here? I have to get over the shock of a talking dinosaur first, let alone one that's asking us questions. Maybe you explain to us what exactly a tamer is? They are a human who raised us Digimon. According to this Digivice, a tamer should be around here. What will you do when you find a tamer? I'll ask them to raise me. Without a tamer, we Digimon can grow big and strong. That's why I'm here, looking for a tamer who can raise me. Doesn't that sound similar to looking for a mother? For such a cute little guy, you sure are clever. Oh shit, suara apa tuh? Ih, kapalnya kebuka guys. What? Did that thing just open up? Does that mean something's about to come out? Oh, I get it now. That must be the tamer we're talking about earlier, right? Yeah. With the game Nintendo DS, the one in there are tamer, yes, but these people are bad guy. I'm not looking for someone who's like that. Ooh, how about we leave detail for later? At this rate, we'll be spotted. Everyone needs to hide. Then we should probably run, shouldn't we? cabut, give it. Gue kira dalamnya Digimon, ternyata orang juga ya. Uno Destres gitu kali ya. Bahasa Spanyol nih, give it up, dos. Kan Uno dos tres, bener anjir, 1 2 3. Give it up, dos, just leave the ship be. If it's not gonna work, then there's no point fussing over it. Just hurry up and detach the escape pod. Wih, anak pang coy. Yeah, just wait a moment, no. I can detach it immediately after that explosion. The data got all messed up, it seems good grief. But the safe hatch is still open, isn't it? I wonder why. As if I'd know, just hurry up and do what you need to. If we continue wasting time here, we won't be able to get back. Stress, bukan? Uno, dos, stress. Bener kan kata-kata gue? Gila, cenayang gitu gue. Padahal gue belum pernah main game ini loh, demi apapun. Do you hear me? What are you doing dawdling around in there? If you don't hurry up and get out here, you will get left behind along with that Digimon. Left behind? They're planning to leave a Digimon here in this world? Look like Tres isn't going to come out. What a pain putting up such a simple job. Hey Dos, you go drop off that Digimon instead. Just throw it out if you want. It doesn't matter. Despite saying it's a simple job, you don't want to do it, do you? Alright, then I'll go take a look while the pot is detaching. Numemon coy! Wow, what is that? Could it be an alien? I knew it. I knew all along that thing was a spaceship. Didn't I say that from the start? We gotta get out of here. Come on, John, you too. Come on. Let's go. Cabut. Ih, ada cewek coy. Oh, si Tresnya dia ya cewek. Hey, are we really going to just leave it here? Haven't we gone over this already? There's no point in it waiting over it now. Well, I guess it's fine. This place seems to be a fairly good location. Dark, humid, and it looks quiet, lively too. Let's get going. Nume. I wanna go back with you. Don't leave me here, Nume. You promise we'll always be together, Nume. Hey, Jun, I beg of you. That Digimon needs our help. So cool. Oh, si Nume itu butuh pertolongan, guys. Ternyata kata Agumon, do you become my oh diajakin jadi temen Agumon coy. Stop, you can do this, bandit. Has this Digimon been following us the whole time? Why would you abandon your Digimon? Are you guys afraid? If you leave a Digimon here, it will cause a lot of trouble. Stay out of this. I don't take order from brats. You got a problem with this? Well, come at me and see what happens. Jun, are you ready to go? So that's one. Got a timer now? No wonder it's suddenly so brave. Fine then. If you by some miracle manage to beat us, well, we'll live here without a fuss. Hey Jun, I don't want anyone in this world that I can call a friend. No one to rely on. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Despite that, are you willing to fight together with me? Sebenarnya gue mau jawabnya enggak, cuman karena gue orang baik, of course. Let's go! Will you become a Agumon tamer and fight by its side? Of course! Let's go. Don't worry, Jun. With you by my side, everything will be fine. I chose you as my tamer for a reason after all. Ini kayak World DS gak sih? Oh iya, sama bro. Wih, bisa auto coy, ngeri juga. Petit bread, bukan paper bread nih. Sakitnya. Wih, sakit bro. Ini auto menang gak sih kita guys? Yeah, I'm the best that ever was. Langsung dapat 3 coy. Gila. We did it. I knew you make an amazing team again. Unbelievable to think we'd be beaten by some kid. How lame. What a fine mess we've gotten ourselves into. This is why I hate the real world. Are you okay, Young? We came back to rescue you. How do you like that, Alliance? Can you see you're no match for our incredible strength? You promised you'd leave if we won, didn't you? Take Memon with you and go back to the digital world. Ugh, acting also just because you got lucky. You were the one speaking so highly of yourself earlier. Regardless of what you say, a loss is loss. Don't go complaining about it after the fact. Whatever. Numemon, how long do you plan on standing around? We're leaving. So long as I'm here on this planet, there's no way I'll allow you, Alliance, to have your way. So this is what a monster from space look like? I didn't think it would look so pathetic. Capek guys, baca sendiri lah ya. Capek. Shoutout lah buat voice over di sono lah. I'm sorry for running away and leaving you two behind. Hey Jun, did you and Agumon manage to defeat that weird green monster? That creature's the same as me, a Digimon called Numemon. It's always been pet partners with those bandits in the digital world. So I wonder why they suddenly tried to abandon it. Is this digital world the planet that you came from? It's not a planet but a whole different world. A different world? Brothers, what are you doing? So this guy, the same creator as Agumon, is it dangerous to touch? It's still moving around. Don't worry, if anything happens, I'll protect you. Sotoy banget lu, dimakan ya lu. Oh itu ininya ya, emergency potnya. Di bawah ya guys. Ya, ke bawah. Yui Takatomo Hiroyuki. Everyone's going to be taken to the digital world. Jun, we've gotta get into the digi ship. Hurry. Gila.